Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the center console on this Kia Rio. First of all, you need to start from here. Take this cover out, just like this, and there is a connector down here that you need to disconnect. Now grab here and take this part of the center console out, just like this. Okay, all good. So right now, as you see, we have two bolts over here that we need to remove. All right, I have two screws over here. There is this small cover here, just under the handbrake. Take it out. And then inside the center console, remove the center console pad. And as you see, we have two bolts down there as well. All right. Now at the front side of the center console, on each side, driver and passenger side, we need to remove this screw. And on the passenger side, all good. Now it's time to remove the center console from the back. Grab it from the back, lift it up just like this, and the whole center console is gonna come off. Just like that.